So I'm gonna make a quick little video about this car here. Some might think you can't put wheels on a shit box and make it look good. This is a perfect example that you can do that. I'll do a walk around. So, I mean, it's just old 84 LTD Lx. Nothing special, right? Just a beat up old car with wheels on. The character, you know. Faded ass paint. Beat up moldings. Custom dent on the hood. But this car is not your typical old car. I'm gonna show you guys why. The car I've been helping my buddy out with. Obviously he's been doing all the work. It's just me here and there helping him out with it, just because it's pretty fucking cool. Obviously I like to work on sleepers, so when I seen he had this and what he was doing to it, I was kind of like, yeah, I wouldn't mind helping you out, just because cool factor. So story behind it, just 84 LTD. He had it was his daily driver actually, and he had I don't know, like 2000 Cobra or something that ended up getting totaled. So that's where that comes in. This car is basically a Fox body chassis, so I'll show you guys here what's actually all done to it. So like I said, typical outside, just looks like a old car with wheels. You go to look on the inside, that's where it starts getting interesting. So if you guys notice, it has a full actual Cobra dash, Cobra seats in the front, as well as Cobra seats in the back. Okay, but that's not it. You go up here, and this is my favorite part. As soon as I find the fucking ledge. Here we go. Bam. Full Cobra, four valve swap. Has a swap subframe on it, so it makes swap that much easier. Getting to anything easier as well. But I mean, like I said, this is basically a Fox body chassis, so anything that you could put in a Fox body, you could put on this. So that's that. Like I said, it has full subframe swap, as well as in the rear. I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but yeah, you can. Well, there you go. It actually has the Cobra IRS as well. So that's pretty fucking cool. This car's gonna be an autocross car, so that IRS will definitely help. see. Let's start this baby up real quick. It's definitely not the sound that you would think this car would make, though it was a 5.0 from factory, but still. Okay, so here we go. Had some technical difficulties with still got to finish the last piece of the exhaust because it's just to a T, and it's gonna dump right on the side down. But yeah, you definitely not expect that from this car. So reason why the car is here is for subframe connectors. So once I get my cars situated, it's gonna go on the lift over there, and I will be putting subframe connectors on it since it definitely needs them, and probably a couple other little things that I'll be doing on it. But just figure I make a little short video of this car. If it was a wagon, I would be all over it, though I don't mind it being a 4-door, coupe, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, if it was a wagon, I'd probably buy it off him, because obviously I love wagons. Hope you guys like this car though, as much as I do, because it's pretty fucking badass.